Okay, good morning, Road Rush Nation. We are taking on this Saturday here in beautiful Kansas. We are heading to Worth Harley Davidson, our dealership of choice, as we like to call it. But we're heading to a poker run. It's called the Big Ass Poker Run. And the first prize is $5,000. It is hotter. It's going to be hotter than heck today, about 96 degrees, which probably means it's going to be 100. The route itself for just the stops is 133 miles, but we're going to do like 200 because we got to ride out to Worth, register, leave from there, do the route, get back to Worth, and then get back home. And we're getting close to Worth here. We are getting off on 152, and it's kind of always a little fun but hairy when getting off here at the North Congress Avenue exit, because there's a mall right here, an outdoor mall, but it's got a couple of roundabouts. And I don't know about you guys, but it seems like people have no clue how to drive through a roundabout. And they will cut you off. They will drive in the wrong lane. It's just amazing. Ooh, we got in here. Let's go and have fun. Only bad thing about roundabouts here is the road condition is cruddy. You got to look out for the potholes and stuff because they haven't been filled in. So just be cautionary. Ooh, hello, PD. Oh, they got a riders class going on. That's pretty cool. I always love to watch the new riders out there. All right, we're heading to our first stop, which is going to be Helen's Hilltop. Going to be making a ride up here on K16. This is kind of a popular stop for bikes out here just outside of Kansas City. It's been here for, God, I don't know how long. And it's a pretty popular bike stop, and it's not a bad ride. I always like coming in through the trees. Especially on a hot day. Kind of you can feel the coolness with the trees and the little bit of shade they give, but it's like nature's AC. See, here we are coming into Helen, so now we got to figure out where they got everybody coming in at. Following Aaron where he wants to park. We want an easy way out of here, because we ain't staying long. We'll do the poker thing, and then we'll be on our way. Okay, we're off-roading. To here in Oskaloosa at Double D's. We just came in, did the whole poker thing piece, and then next stop we're gonna stop for something to eat. It's at a place in Perry Lake called the High Tide. Sounds like a better place to stay and eat because it's by the water, so we'll check that out. Yep, we're in the right area. Bikes and boats. I'm sure the people on boats are like, why are all the bikes here? It's cool. No idea what we're doing. Americana as you can get. Cool old buildings. Love them. Here comes a nice little hot rod up here. All right, now we're going to figure out where do you pot.
Cool, I got you, haha. All right, let's go into the door. And finally, back to our last stop at Worth Harley Davidson. Nope, we didn't win the $5,000, but it was still a great time. I will tell you, you need to check out this ride next year. $5,000 for first place, $600 for second, and $400 for third. What a great time. Thanks so much for stopping by and going on the ride with us. We really appreciate you being here. Like to help us out? Just give us a like. Give that little blue thumbs up down below. And if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. Just hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. Remember, ride safe and don't forget, life's too short. So let's go ride.